Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix cache card approval not working. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. First of all guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to make sure that you have verified your identity on Cash App. If you have verified your identity and still cache card approval is not working, just simply you have to tap on your profile. So from here guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to scroll it down a bit, and now from here guys, just simply you have to tap on sport. Now after that guys, you have to tap on something else, then tap on cash card. Now after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to tap on issue with cash card. Now from here you have to tap on name on cash card because you want to approve your cash card with your name. So from here guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to tap on contact support. Now after that guys, just simply you have to chat with cash app support representative, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed and you can easily get your cash card approval. So that's pretty much for today video. If that is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.